Today we're doing the windows right here. We're going to remove the screens. And we're also going to do this concrete, or it's not concrete, they're like steps. We're going to clean these also. So we're going to probably soft wash them. When I came here the other day, it was covered in leaves. We have to blow out some of these leaves, but I couldn't really see the deck and the this walkway very well when I came here originally. I see it a lot better now. So it goes to here. We're also cleaning over there. We're just putting that furniture over there, getting it out of the way. Stay tuned. Pretty thick, so we had to use a deck brush. We're getting the screens off now to remove some of these leaves, and then we're going to blow over them again. And right now we're removing the screens. Stay tuned. We're almost done with that. That could go out to there because I'm going to get those steps too. That broke?
Yeah, rotted off.
So we cleaned here. On camera it looks dirty, but this is just wet, and it's like a brown color. Parts of it are dark, parts of it are light. See, like that's dark brown. That's what's going on. It's lighter here, dark brown there. I don't know if you could tell on camera. So now we're going to get the windows solution, little ladder. We'll get started. It's because these windows have never been cleaned before. I like to clean them twice. So we're doing that right now. We did these two. We're gonna clean these and then we're gonna re-clean them. So it's gonna look really good. That's just what we do. So it's a little more the first time to clean. So after I do this outside, I'm going to change out the water. I think we're going to do inside tomorrow. We're also getting these sills here. See, I noticed a huge scratch inside. So when we do the inside, we need to let them know. So we're all done. Again, this is dark brown, beige, light brown, different colors going on here. Still wet. Windows, you can see it's a big difference. Look at that. Just look at that. Still a little wet here, so it's a little darker there. On camera, this looks like it's white and black, but I don't know how this comes out. You know, when you watch it on TV, because in person you can tell what's going on. You can see it's all clean, much better on this stone. You can see over there, I don't know if I videotaped over here, but over here was just black and leaves everywhere. We took the leaves out. And if you compare it to the end of the video, or beginning of the video to the end of the video, it looks just a lot better. Glass, it's beautiful. Tomorrow, we're cleaning inside here. You see that rug there? And we're gonna clean a couple of rugs and some tile in there. So I believe it's 3 rugs and tile in the kitchen. You see? This came out really nice. This is like tile outside. And it's just a lot better. You can see what's going on here. Wipe down the table a little bit. Glass, beautiful. And the walkway, it's beautiful. All right, thank you for watching and take care.